Yeah, g'day team. Scotty Hillier here, ambassador for AllBrand Caravan Services, catching up with the head kahuna, the big boss, big Toddy boy. How are you, mate?
Yeah, mate. Thank you very much.
And we're talking all things insurance. If you've had an issue where you need to use insurance and maybe get a quote and get things repaired, summer, hot, storms right through until Easter.
Yes, mate.
Hail damage is a big one. You know what? I normally associate hail damage with vehicles, but a lot of vans are out
Mate,
in the open.
Yeah, they are. And they get stored outside.
Yeah.
It's one of those things. And also, a lot of travelling people, like, you think about people down south travelling up into Queensland and stuff like that, and some of the hail that we have. So, from my mindset, looking into this, and people like yourself don't think about...
No. I just see a couple of dents on the outside and I think, oh, we can just... Actually, you don't even need to look at that because it's not going to worry me, but you're here to tell me, hello.
Yeah, let's have a look at this. And also reseller vans. So a lot of people are like, I won't worry about it. But if you don't structure yourself and make sure you're doing the right thing by your insurance companies and advising what you've got and then not getting that sort of fixed, when you come back 3 years later and go, hey, I wouldn't mind getting that fixed, you might be looking at it in the wrong
So what happens? Apart from the dents on the outside, a lot more damage.
Seals.
Yeah, okay.
You do this sort of stuff. Operational, depends how hard the hail is. All right. You can have small little dents and things like that, but you can see just behind us, and I know the Matt's probably got us behind us here at the moment, but scenario being is this one here's been pulled apart by hail.
Yeah.
And the front of the van has had a fair bit of water damage on it.
Okay.
Because of it. But this gentleman had it in a hailstorm, been overseas. Yeah. It's been sitting there. He's been waiting to get it repaired on that side. Not because of timeliness, but he just wanted to come back, make sure he can see over it. Yeah. And this sort of structure has happened in 12 months while it's sitting around.
Well, so you do quotes and you do the work as well for insurance.
We'll come to you for quotes.
Oh, wow.
Okay, we go Sunshine Coast, Gold Coast, out west. Wow. And then if you need the repair or if the hail damage needs it, we'll come pick it up and drop it off for you.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Really?
So, mate,
it's the service, AllBrand, not just a smile.
It does.
Come out and do the quote, and you'll also come and get the van, bring it in, fix it, and drop it back home.
Mate, we want to make sure that everyone's happy. Yeah, because it's something we've all got 1,000 things happening.
Well, the big thing, it's good to know. People out there probably weren't aware that you actually do the quotes.
Yes.
And you do the repairs.
Yeah. So we're here to do that. Help them out. And we are here. All the major insurance companies know us. We've been dealing with them for years.
Yeah, lovely.
We're here to look after them. Thank you.
Give them a call.
AllBrand Caravans. AllBrand Caravans.